uyazophumelela siyakukholwa ethando mahla umvikeli wesikho.
Lotshani godu bakwethu, welcome back. Njenganje sibuya noSiphiwe Mthimunye, msunguli wama awards azokwenzeka kwaNdebele. Uzosibikela yena ukuthi yenzeka nini. Solo ngisakhamba noNqobile Masuku iKwaNdebele Creative Awards ne?
Yes.
Yeah. Msunguli wa KwaNdebele Creative Awards. Nqobile Masuku.
Hi guys, my name is Nqobile Masuku. I'm your host.
Yes. Bakwethu sikhathangisela eGood Life Studios nasimniningwana. Nawufuna ukuba nelakihlelo namkhana ufuna sik-invite lapha imniningwana nasi.
Yes.
Yes.
Studios Grootman Focus Ubo with the beat.
Yes.
We ayoba.
Yes.
Naikhumbula mus ayoba.
Yes.
Yoba.
The best DJ, the breakfast show host.
Yes.
Yes.
Yi BB.
BBL.
Yes. Bongani Mthombothi.
Yeah, emkhatshweni wine
Best station of the year.
Yes.
PBS.
Ikwekwezi.
Barithe yoke imkhatsho.
Yes.
Yes.
Ba.
Bathithi Metro FM by better.
Bathatha ukhozi bakaneka.
Mhlobo wenene bawu. Awulahlela le.
Manje ngisakhuluma ngaleminye le sikanrelele phasa ayibone next.
Yeah, ne. Lotshani guys.
Hi.
Mina ngibizo nginguSiphiwe kuhle MM from KwaNdebele ne.
Yes.
I'm the founder of KwaNdebele Creative Awards.
Yes.
Okay.
The idea it told me, I think I was in grade 11.
Wow.
Ngihleli klasini.
Yo.
I started writing this.
Yo.
I had a beautiful big vision. Into efana nama metro but eyenzeka in KwaNdebele.
Okay.
So the more ngikhula the more ngibona ukuthi hayi man rehe into le asibi nayo. The more ngikhula ngiyabona ukuthi hayi man rehe into le akubi nomuntu oza ni plan ukuthi mara ingenziwa njani or akubi nomuntu oyihosta yabo.
Yes.
So kwaya malanga he started creating a name. Good, how about ibe KwaNdebele Creative Awards.
Okay.
Yes.
Khambe isikhathi ngiyakhula nakhamba isikhathi isikolo ngiyasiceda. Hayi ngithome ngibhala ama proposals.
Okay.
Khamba ama proposal, mind you angazi ukuthi proposal ibhalwa njani. Kamele ngihlangana nabo bani njani kuphi angazi. Next I created my own proposal yakhamba.
Yeah.
My khamba yabuya ne feedback kuthi yo i-feedback akhona beyingase right but young builder ukuthi yazini kamele uqhubeke ulwe. Alright. Amalanga akhambi kufike i-vision ye-award yokuthi kufanele i-award libe njani. Ngilidrawing ngibone ngathi man into engiyidrawile kule isingathi akusiyo.
Yeah.
Yabo ngilahla iphephila.
All right.
Enrambama ngibuyele ngidobha iphephila ngithi hayi man khe ngikhambe ngiyokhombisa uzibani yabo iphephila. Ngifike ngimkhombise ngithi mngani phela mina ngidraw into eso. Athi yimi asikhambe sokukalarisha into lesikhambe soyi-printer out sibone ukuthi banjani. That's when we got it design yiKwaNdebele trophy.
Oh.
Yes.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Wow. So ngibani uzibani lo?
Nami safuna ukuthi ngikhambe ngekuzibani kubani.
Oh, it's my childhood friend, right?
Nice.
Oh,
Yeah, it's my childhood friend, Precious.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's my
that's
childhood
good.
friend. Yeah. So kwabanjalo ke kwaphuma i-award sathoma ke ngathoma mina specifically ngaplan ukuthi like ngathoma ngazibuza mina ukuthi mara nangenza into le ngiyenzelani.
Yeah.
Ngiyenzela bobani. Yabo? Ngaziphendula ngathi KwaNdebele entertainment sphere yethu is lacking so much.
True.
It's lacking. Like akhonakala ukuthi thina sibe yiKwaNdebele sodwa sibukhane sodwa and kube fun into yenzeka kwezinye indawo, yabo?
Yeah.
ngathi entertainment yethu it's lacking. Abantwana abanando abanga-complete ngayo ukuthi yazini ngibonile man ukuthi hayi ingoma kalo imnandi ukudlula kalo njalo. We do have ama-artist amaningi but abazi ukuthi kuhle siberekelani. Uyabo? So iKwaNdebele i-platform nje ezoku-uplifta ama-crafts wabanye abantwana. Mawuzaziko nje wena ukuthi ukhona ku-entertainment uyagwala uyi-writer nanoma ucula ingoma ezinjani nanoma ku-gospel nanoma ku-mapiano yonke ihlobo lengoma sinama-categories ngokuhlukahlukana ayikho into engekho. So iKwaNdebele it's here isazokhula ibe into strong ngokuya the idea to make something efana nama-metro but siyenzela kuphi ekhaya khothi nawe na uberekako ngale ngeJohannesburg uthi yazini kunento yenzakalako ekhaya nami ngiyahalela ukuba ipart yayo singasoloko sithi yo angakhona uku-attend ama-metro akude khulu njani siba nama-excuses ahlukahlukeneko yabo sa-attend ama-metro I think it was 3 years back. So I went to this guy ngambuza ukuthi mina kani why ningafaki ama-categories wamaNdebele phakathi. What nina nilwa nodwa nje?
Oh.
Exactly. What nina nilwa nodwa nje? Yo, I went back to my vision board. Ngathi into le ayikhulumileko kufanele ingenze something la.
Yeah.
Ingipushe ukuthi ngenze into le iphile. That's how we got iKwaNdebele Creative Awards.
Okay. Nice one.
So now ama-category angaphakathi kwiKwaNdebele Creative Awards kengimaphi?
We have I think it's 28 categories.
Yo.
I'll just mention the interesting ones only ne because okunye nokunye izinto esesizijwayela ngisho esikhona vele kuma awards. So the main ones we have Igwalo, we have Ndebele writers. We need best Ndebele new artist. Abasathuthukako abangakahabi ukwaziwa kakhulu ne. Then we have imbongi, sinabantwana bembongi. So also we had an issue lapha ku age. Abantwana bembongi mostly bancane. Sithola kubantwana abancane. So I and the team sat decide ukuthi yazini singasayiqali age.
Okay.
Wonke umuntu oku entertainment industry yaKwaNdebele welcomed to join.
That's right.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice one.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, iKwaNdebele Creative Awards, it's all about that.
Okay.
So nine best MC.
We have best MCs, we have best piano DJs, we have R&B DJs, we have hip hop DJs, we have soccer players. We do have soccer players.
Design.
Best beautification. We have also there's this one is Nayo. Lababa memezela ibolo. A sportsman. Exactly.
Yeah, I'm a commentator.
Yeah, we have best commentators.
Yes.
The other one was fighting me the other day.
Yeah.
Niyamazi no ke ngisho for sure. Niyamazi no. Besilwa nje ukuthi bekangibuza ukuthi why commentating ngekho. So sengiyamchazela ukuthi hayi man, it's sportsman. That's where you fit in. That's where commentators angena khona. Yeah.
So nine best MC, best event organizer.
Exactly.
Nine best radio broadcaster. Yine best designer. Yes. So now awards la ayokubanjelwa kuphi nini?
Yes, 28 March this year, 2026, Kamal Rafi Stadium.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Yes, it was supposed to be done last year, but we had so many issues. Also the participants, but isikhathi sincane. MTN nayo beyingila ngitshela ukuthi isikhathi sincane I have to ukukhuphukisa isikhathi. So we sat down with the team sazwana ngokuthi okay i-date sizoyiphusha ibe nge-28 March.
So now ba nominatewa njani abazokuvotelwa?
Okay, uzokungena ku Facebook page yethu iKwaNdebele Creative Awards uzinominate under i-post whereby la kune category yakho khona uzokusho igama lakho mhlambe uzokusho ukuthi Thando Mahlangu
Yes.
best igwalo.
Yes.
Okay.
That's siyazi thina ukuthi best igwalo so ikhambisa njani.
Yes.
Yes. Bese you'll have to campaign yourself. Ukuthi abantu bakumention as many times as they can.
Ukuthi nominate.
Ukuthi unominateke.
Yes.
After so mentioned it's like kaningi. That's when thina sikuthatha sikufaka kuma officially voting ballots we MTN. That's where the real game starts manje.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ukuthi kosu vote
Fanele uvotelwe ke nje.
Fanele gijima ama
Fanele
SMS.
gijima ama SMS ke nje.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how it goes there.
Oh, I know it makes sense.
Yeah, also abantu if you was nominated wena, abanye abantu bangakhona ukukunominate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nominate. Yebo.
Yeah.
Bese ngibaba ukuthi banginominate.
Exactly.
Bese ngiyokukhampanela for the real one, the real Makoya one.
Uyayibona?
Ngibuya nayo iphila.
Ngibuya nayiphila
So
ngomjana.
atoma ama awards umnyanya reheke na. Uyokuthoma ni ngisikhathi ba.
Umnyanya I think uzokuthoma around boma 5 p.m.
Yes.
Yeah, ukuphela into esinganasho ukuthi uyokuphela sikhathi bani because
Yes.
we'll have igala dinner after the ceremony for our guests and the VIPs and the what's would communicate with our
And the winners
and the winners and also our MTN, but they need to engage with the audience bayibuza ukuthi umnyanya ukhambe nani njani.
Okay.
Yes, also the radios azabe akhona badinga ukuengage nabo ukuthola ukuthi okay bosemnyanyeni wena ufundeni utholeni izinto ezifana nalezo.
So for people abangaka nominate just someone ofuna ukuza kuma award akhona ama ticket athengiswa
Not yet.
Mara azoba khona. Abantu bayakhona uku-attend, kube bakhona ukuthenga ama ticket bese ba-attend.
Yes.
Okay.
For now it's free.
For now, no, the tickets are not officially out.
Okay.
For now.
Okay.
Yes, also I think after January, I think lapha ngabos 15 Feb.
Yes.
Yeah. As of
Roughly iticket lizoba imalini?
I think the ticket lizoba 250.
Yeah.
We're not sure about the VIP, but ticket lona lizoba khona.
Okay. Nice.
Yes.
Nihlokani nina nje ukuthi nisekeleke ukuthi umnyanya lo be successful. Ama awards abe successful.
We just need the participation from different communities of KwaNdebele.
Okay.
Yeah, we need participation. We need isekelo from Emakhosini, but I think that one we already got it covered.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. I think both our municipalities we need to see them back active, basiza.
Alright.
Yeah, but they are working on that also. So
Okay, no, that's perfect.
kancane siyafika la sifuna ukufika khona.
So media sponsors, do you guys have?
Yes.
Yeah, we do have.
Okay.
Yes, we do have. We have, I think, SABC News. It's on board.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll be bezabakhona on our event to showcase yonke into ezabe yenzeka. We have Flare FM, we have HD FM, we have few influencers on board. Yeah.
That's
Then
super cool.
how nina ama sponsors wenu angangani? Do you still need sponsors?
Yes, we do still need sponsors ukuthi senze into ekulu kulu.
Okay, khuluma nabo na i-camera ku camera number 3.
Okay, we still need to have sisawahloka kakhulu ama sponsors. If wena uyi potential sponsor or you're someone who ufuna ukuba i-party kwaNdebele Creative Awards, you are welcome to ungeza ukhulumisane nathi si draft in partnership opportunity sizwisisana ukuthi singaberegisana njani siyeni phambili.
Then nakungenzeka ama sponsor owathole ungayenza ibe ikulu ngoba yinto eba qobe nyaka.
Yes.
Okay.
Yearly ithomele futhi from this year up until infinity.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So now i-respond yabo inja
I respond from
the talent, the people ekosaba nominate na ba nominate ako.
Yeah.
Injani
Background
response
level.
ngama KwaNdebele Creative Awards.
no, they are participate. They are participating, they are calling me bangibuza ukuthi okay la kufanele senzeni.
Yes.
We're talking about big profiles.
Wow.
Ne wakwandebele abozodwa mabhena they on board.
Yes.
Yes. So ba communicate nathi basibuza ukuthi nathi singangenela kanjani siyafuna ukuba yipart.
Yes.
So participation, it's all going good.
Oh, that's
Okay,
super
then cause nanenze event ngasikhathi kuba nabantu abafuna ukukhangisa imbereko yabo ni bavumelekile ama stalls ayathengiswa or are free ukuthi abantu bangeze bazokukhangisa ngento zabo.
For that information,
Yes.
isazophuma. I cannot say something discuss with
Yes.
the team.
Oh yes, okay.
Yeah, lokho information I think isazophuma. Ukuthi ama stalls kuzokhanjwa njani.
Okay.
Yes.
Bakwethu sigadangisela iGood Life Studios nasemniningwana ngaphasi apha. Nawufuna ukukhangisa ihwebo lakho ungayidosela. Nawufuna ukuba guest ungayidosela. Nawufuna ukubooka the studio ungayidosela still. Namkhana nawufuna ukurecord ama voice over artist, ama adverts ngelimi elula ungayidosela. Nawufuna ukwenza ama promo ungayidosela. We've got a platform, ye radio station on the other side. Ngapha we've got a podcast studio.
Studio se Grootman Focus ubobo the beat.
Yes.
Wabreka ku Crazy FM. Morning show.
And then Tungise guys ne.
Ne.
Please,
Tungise.
Team it's black.
What
With a
team is
touch,
black?
Oh, team is black.
You can
With a
even
touch
touch
of
with touch of Ndebele.
It's black, gold, and cultural touch.
Yeah.
Chester.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just the stylish niveza magoch kube nice kube
Yeah.
What is this ama gosh? Yes.
Yeah, red carpet it's on the our daughter.
Sabeti Thomas Kadban's people.
Yeah.
Red carpet is
it was
October,
okay.
I think ngabo 4.
All right.
Yes, red
Yeah.
carpet is
Fika on
October.
time.
Yes. Nifike on time nithungise nibebahle sibe nomnyanya omkhulu omuhle.
Yeah.
Sifane nabanye abantu nathi.
Sizezeleni into yethu leyibe
Exactly.
And singakhona yas.
Sangekhe yasihlula.
Angekhe yas.
So, Grootman, what would be your advice to Spiwo?
Yes.
No, I know. It was pure. He's got everything in order.
Yes.
So he doesn't need an advice,
Yes.
Oh.
but he just needs guidance.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's a difference between advising someone and guiding.
That's correct. That's correct. Yes.
So my guidelines, kumele abakhambele, is to at least try to get in touch with other awards organizers. Even if angeke abe ne-access to the main ones ezifana namasama, namasatma, nama-metro, but we do have some of the organizations as run ama awards in our communities.
Yes.
Bazomguide in terms of ama do's and don'ts. Yabona, and then how to approach sponsors. Also ne management yama awards ukuthi wa manage njani, because lawa ngokuthoma. So in business, if you fail from your first attempt and you fail with the big investment, it becomes so hard to come back.
Yeah.
True.
So that is why I'm saying udinga guidance than the advice, because the advice already sekadlulile stage in less.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
So now into idinga go guidance add also with mentorship. Yeah. Mhlambe nje athola ama mentors abangakhona ukumsiza. So what divide ama responsibilities, angafuna ukuhandlela yonke into, mhlambe ibe nguye yedwa, abe ne team, delegate, yabona, kube nomuntu okhuluma nemedia, kube nomuntu okhuluma nama sponsors, kube nomuntu okhuluma nama partnerships, and then kube nomuntu okhuluma nama artists, nama nominees, nama participants. Yonke into nje ibe njalo. You know, if you are given a vision, sometimes you want to handle everything.
True.
Then that's where we ban ourselves. Yabo. So yena nakangathola nje i-team yakhe nayo delegate kuhle, kube babantu aba responsible, and ngimzwa athi ngo March nangichecka ku March for me seduze khulu, unfortunately, but mhlambe kade bathomile ukuprepare.
Ne.
Yeah, mhlambe kade bathomile ukuprepare, sebaqedile ezinye zezinto, seba ready for execute. Yeah, so and ba-check godu because unyaka lo kwaNdebele it's a big thing.
Yes, welcome.
Yeah, so I check because focus eningi
Ne.
izobe iku sesiweni. Yeah. So
That's true.
ngilokho engakutsho Thandosi.
Jesa, ngiyathokoza Grootman.
Sithokoze.
People abafuna ukukhuluma nani banithola njani?
Okay, you can email me at spewthedream22@gmail.com.
Bawuyibuyelele ngizo-trim.
Spew the dream
Oh,
at 22 at gmail.com.
okay.
No, it's pure the dream 22 or at 22.
I too angena kimo I2.
Whoa.
Yeah, yes, I2. But you can even call me go
Yes.
076 324 6162.
Good.
076 324 6162. And also nabangifonelako bangangibuza ukuthi ukuphi unjani udlani yo bani style sokufonela
Straight to the point.
Straight to
Hi,
the point.
Siphiwe, nginqobile. I have a challenge yokungenela or
Singenela njani?
singenela njani.
Yes.
All right, okay.
Yes.
Straight to the point.
Straight to the point.
So my social platform wenu?
We are at KwaNdebele Creative Awards, Facebook and also TikTok.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You can nominate yourself
In both the
Facebook.
platforms.
Okay.
Yes.
You
in
don't
both.
have Instagram.
But i-platform active kakhulu it's Facebook.
Facebook, okay.
Yeah, hence mina ngizokusho ukuthi yeah ngazi ngirecommenda yona vele iFacebook ukuthi hayi
Okay.
zimention ku Facebook.
Okay. Nice one.
Into emnandi njengoba nathoma so ku selector ama artist wakwaNdebele ase avule indlela wonke kuma iconic awards i-legend awards ukuthi siba honore ukuthi ke umvumo wesiNdebele uthuthukile ubonakele ngenxa yabo.
So nzobe ni uthi nizobe
Sizabe sipha ama
Yes.
lifetime achievement awards.
Oh wow, that's super great. Why bongasitsheli?
Hey, siyathokoza
Yo,
mkhambisana
yo.
akhe.
Dima.
Ngane Florian.
Yes, sizabe sipha ama lifetime achievement for bonke abantu abapave indlela to
Yes.
Oh,
like ukuthi sibe
Oh, that's super
space
great, man.
esikhanyako nje
Yeah.
kwaNdebele. So we have different people.
That's another selling point of the awards.
Yes, we have
Yeah.
different big icons.
Yes.
Khona mahlangana.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, that's super great.
Yeah.
No man, sithokoza kakhulu kwamambala. Ungathanda uku-edani kilokhu sekukhulumile.
Oh, okay. Abanye bathi banamahloni ukungena. And there's this other girl othekimi uyahalela ukungena ikinga ukuthi usaba ukuthi abantu bokuvotela abangani babo.
And then
and then?
Angisho we are given different dreams.
yes.
Imbireko wakho uyabonakala. And abantu bayazi ukuthi isipano uyasidonora.
Hey.
Yes.
So ukunzima kuphi ukuthi uzimenshine utshela abangani bakho
You
bakumenshine.
know exactly.
Or usimenshine wena as many times says you can then sesokudlala le igame le vele
You compete.
eku PSL le with guys ngibawona ngivoteleni and you can votela
You
yourself.
can votela yourself.
It's much better.
So ngamanye ama challenges lawo abakasiwani baningi abanye bangijamisa endleleni babuza ukuthi manje mina ngibereke endleleni abazongithatha njani yabo izinto ezinjalo.
How?
Ukuthi ubereke endleleni
Akusho
ubereke
next.
endleleni akutsho next as long as proud ngento yenzako
Exactly.
uyizwe egazini ikhamba la kuma veins ayakutshela wena amahloni nge1
Amahloni nge-one mara ngebhudango lakho.
ngebhudango lakho najama endleleni lingithise lingithathe lingilahlelele mara angeke ngita ena nginamahloni angeke ngiwangenela ama-award mina ubani ngiwangenela bengithungisa.
So we had the challenge enjalo. Also we had ama critics and negativity. So someone came to my personal number. Wathi if asimfaki uzokuboycotta the event.
How?
Yes. Wathi
Exactly. Ngibani lo?
Ngubani?
Ay, angimazi mina igama lakhe. Angimazi igama lakhe. But naye bekafuna ukuba nominated, yabo.
Yeah.
So maye abuza ngekano ukuthi maye in lokhu nalokhu njalo. Uthi maye mina wayini ngangifaka izinto ezinjalo sithi
Umfaka kanjani angakafaka or angakasifaki yena? 'Cause
Exactly.
it's simple. It's not like koste uyokhipha 100 rand ukuthi ungene. You nominate yourself, you ask your friends to nominate you again.
kuphuma i-trophy kuphela ama categories awakaphuma umuntu ufuna ufaka wapi njani. Ufaka wapi njani? Uyabo bese wathi uzokuboycott i-event ngadayi azilimize itshini.
Yes.
Uthe manini.
Yeah, sakuhlangana fanele abantu nandu bakhumbuza ukuthi yazi kuhlanyo ozihlanyisa khona nami ngingafika lapha.
Nami ngiyakhona ukuhlanya.
So but asinjoyini singalwini.
Yeah.
That's it. Singalwi.
Yeah.
Yeah. I understand.
Nomnyanya omkhulu ekufanele siwucelebrate.
Exactly.
Straight.
Okuningi hayi akusena ndaba.
Yeah. Bakwethu asisekeleni kwaNdebele Creative Awards. Sisupporteni, sithuthukiseni, sipromoteni, sigijimeni nayo, sihatshekeni nayo. Lami bizo nginguthando Mahlangu. Ngibani ngilandele nami ngizonilandela. Namasuku naseyivala.
Nasengivala ngibawa ninginominate ne. Wanginominate nami ngizokunominate. Ene ngizozinominate. Ne? Lami bizo nginqobile ngokwamasuku. Izwa. Ngibereka endleleni ku R573 Moloto Road ngithengisa ingwani esigwalweko enakusingizo kuphela senguthi ngizwe eziphatheka kuhle endleleni akunanto engayithengisiko akunanto engayigwalewo nomuntu ngiyamgwala. Yes.
Also we'll invite you masenza activation party. I think we'll have exhibition.
Okay, no, that's super great.
I think we'll have exhibition.
Yes.
Simenyiwe thina.
Yeah.
So your parting shot?
For more information,
Yes.
balandeli kwaNdebele Creative Awards. Yonke information oyidingako uyithokako uzoyithola khona lapho nangabe awuzwisisi ukuthi kwenzakalani uyasidosela umkhala kunamba ikhona inamba le ngishileko khona lapha ku page uyayidosela uyabuza ukuthi mina ngingena kanjani yonke into emadana nekwaNdebele Creative Awards, not out of topic.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
Yeah.
Bakwethu sikatangesela eGood Life Studios. Nawufuna imininingwane ezeleko nasemniningwane ngaphasi. Ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu. Ungangilandela ke wonke ama social media platforms @thandomahlangu_. Ungilandele nami ngizokulandela.
Uthi ukuthi Ndebele elihlakaniphileko nelifundile. Lami bizo nginqobile ngokwamasuku Facebook, nqobile masuku TikTok, nqobile masuku Instagram, nqobile nofanezile masuku. Thokoze.
Yes.
Thando Mahlangu ilizwi lesintu indodana yomhlabathi sithi khubeka ungaphela amandla amaNdebele azophumelela siyakukho